you're really something wrong with you. I thought this thing already. Social media is not a mental health clinic. It only drives us if you don't strong. And you can't want to tear down the woman bread and butter and the woman not say you take a set. Long time you over there, but me not understand what do you because I say. When time you did come out and you have, this is why I tell you say, I don't believe in apology on social media. I don't believe in a hitman, me no apologize because when time you get up and you did apologize and did want to go over in the shop, you know where you gonna trouble the woman for? Well, if a Tina send you, if a Tina send you, people are saying the other woman from Connecticut, but too bad because it is the thing. The woman from Connecticut, anything we want to say, to be honest, we must be fair and here. Anything where that the woman from Connecticut want to say, him a come out and in they say it. Would that look like a Tina job? A Tina send you go over there, Tina send you go make trouble. You see it? Tina na look for you in your embarrassment. Tina na look for you. What a embarrassment you get. What a shame. Where you gone, the woman block you off fine page. Where you gone over there for? Where you text it pan the woman for? You love woman. Where you text it pan the woman for? No say. The woman mouth no nice. No say big D mouth no nice. Cause big D no care. Boy, me I tell us this are the shame for the year. This are the shame for the year. You better try make sure so you nobody go thief. Because if all one mug shot come out with you, the thief. Because you no walk on no shoplift. Me say, boy, me not tell you no lie. Me say me feel it for you. Me say the store, me say me feel it. From the store, food come up to my heart and me have to be very careful, you know, because then so when you have sore, me say, what a disgrace you calling a big woman like you and you have your where you gonna not take, where you take set pan the woman for? Oh, you love take set pan people so? All you do a walk around instead of look which part you there. Look which part you there. I'm going to tell you something, people. Take the opportunity when you're in a one country. You live in one country. Take the opportunity and go back to school. You sound slow. You sound like you have strokes in your tongue. God forbid. Where you get up every day, a big woman like you, 50, 51, or whatsoever, get up and I take set pan the woman for 1 minute. You know, say, certain page, unless I somebody screen record something, no, where you don't like the woman, but as the woman start her life, you know, over there. Then now, you have to take the liberty. Cause then me not tell a lie now, my girl. That a nail liberty, you know. That was a hell of a batty you get. That was a hell of a batty. And come back on the live after that. Cause me no look for him, you know, because me can't. He come back on, he come back out. Me say, I wonder if he come back out here. That was a hell of a batty. When me tell her saying get a hell of a batty. No, sir. Then all of the people, then me ask you something, you know. Me I go over Lorraine page. Go look how Lorraine celebrate because he say he must jump up in the air because when he go for celebrate, you know. I wonder if you no go over come and no get no time. May I go over Lorraine page when time I go it. Why Milo can't help this? No, when time a little bit and people always come to me say that sitting there could have burn me, you see. That sitting there, why me say you know say. You know, my granny always, as long as something happened to somebody, you want a cup of tea, go make a cup of tea. My granny always, when time people in a distress, I give them tea. I wonder, then you gone over there now, then all went time. Lorraine sit down now. I hear this here now. Then you don't know say Lorraine I go come out, Lord Jesus. How you fi make that happen to you? How you fi make that happen to you? I wanna say that. Hey, make I tell you something. Make me tell you something. Blessing Sandra. Make me tell you something. Uno fi be careful. One thing said the doctor under it. I go make she. Lord, me say me feel it. Me say I feel it. Boy, where you Lord. Then you really make Lorraine make them your something you unfold with you. Then no content you they go give Lorraine you know. No content you they go give Lorraine for Lorraine come out come call you the germs. Lord, you shouldn't make Lorraine to them you sitting here to your man on social media. And you know so them will love you out here, you know then will love you out here, then love you like how devil love holy water. And you make boy me say what Lord, I wonder if no, you know say boy me say jeez I want where you gone over the doctor for this make me remember now when Tina going at the Planka doctor shop go do fear body because say me know you mad. Where you gone in a the doctor office there for? You damn lucky say never give you one wrong injection. How you can so careless where you doing at the doctor office the doctor office you fi keep far from me. No, that's why me know a Tina send you. That's why me know a Tina send you. Because as so Tina she go in a Planka doctor go make Planka doctor pile up in body, you know. Boy, me say me no understand uno people. How comes uno not where you gone over there for? What a disgrace on a Sunday. Me no know how you gonna recover from this. Me don't know how you gonna recover from it because myself you can't recover from it. Me feel it and me not so like you much less. Me say me feel it until me couldn't even talk about it yesterday. Where you gone over there for? Where you gone over there for? Oh, you did look something for stream. I hope you stream that. I hope you stream that because I say it no look me not tell a lie. Where was your son when all of this happened? Then all your family them where they are Jamaica now where you call police pan. Where they no like you because them bury all your mama no invite. Then all your family then your sister them and your niece them we no like you. Then when somebody go tell them say, here wagwan, go here wagwan, all them know all you expect, but as on our family, they supposed to feel bad. Come in now tell a lie, me feel real bad for you. But me can't say nothing because I say you're too enough. You give too much trouble. You give too much trouble. The same thing. The same God Almighty thing what you do. You there England and the man have him bakery and the man in trouble. You go in a bakery. I call up a man name and the man business place name. I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know what is wrong with you. Because something definitely wrong with you. Something do you. Can a normal human being can conquer us so. You're supposed to have money. Me not say the woman do you anything. But you're not supposed to know so that woman them mouth no nice. You don't know so what you see her not she them mouth no nice. What a shame. You pick me your mother, you the whole internet here. This coming like triple J, triple X. Yeah, me triple J, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself, triple J. You don't know already. This coming like triple X. Andrea, triple X. Oh, you fi make you fall in a them your predicament, yeah. And you know, say Andrea, I go sit down over there with him 8 and in 10,000 and in 80 and in wally per 1,000 in pan big platform and clap your backside. Me say when me say triple X dilemma, you know, all my mind tell me said Jesus. Andrea could not come with 99 corruption story tonight. Andrea could not come with 99 corruption story tonight. But me know say Andrea going clap triple X. Because of the same way triple X stand. The same way triple X. And this is the thing. Andrea don't trouble triple X. Andrea don't say triple X. Andrea now look pan triple X and triple X wait till the man a do him live. He never used to trouble Andrea, no. From Andrea come out and Andrea platform, people start gravitate to Andrea and people see the truth and prefer listen to Andrea more than the bagger. Cause we know say Andrea have good give him that. Andrea have good content. Andrea know what he's doing there. That's Andrea Stevens. Give Caesar what due to them. Andrea will be Andrea. There will be only one Andrea Stevens. Atina Senar, me know Atina Senar. So there will be only one Andrea Stevens. No, triple X, you might be out here before Andrea. But listen, if what is for Andrea cannot be for you because I say Andrea Stevens know what he's doing. He know how to communicate with his people. He know how to go on with himself. Andrea can hold a crowd. When people depart Andrea life only go bigger. I would see right there. Him can hold a crowd even though this is the thing with Andrea, and that's when as a blogger you know you got it. Even if him a talk something where you not agree with, he is always interested to listen to. And you every time you go on the man platform, go text it pan him. Go and text it pan him. You whoever no give me tell, and it's the truth. Andrea will be Andrea. Even though Andrea, if you stay right there, Andrea hold him audience until all when sometime when Andrea done the live, long after you see people they panic, Andrea have him support Andrea. People love Andrea. And you still have the people them who might not like him, but Andrea have an interesting topic. People gravitate to Andrea. No. You triple X feel like say you could have, that's one of the mentality. You can run off people off of social media and you can break them. Let me tell you something. You cannot break him. Nobody. All who did that try and who did that say Andrea can't come back. Andrea come back stronger and firmer. And still the right here. Because I say, guess what? Andrea will be Andrea. People call, the amount of people till now, me still have people call and want to know because they say people want Andrea. No triple X. You would have never give the man a breathing space. You would have never give the man a breathing space. Now you see it there now. Andrea get it, and if you're not mind shot, you know. Andrea, you know. Coming back tonight, Andrea, I don't know how you're going to make it with Andrea out here. Because Andrea said the right time now. The right time now. If you tie up your head with the turban and come out here and read out your rights. And guess what? You deserve it because they say the man don't trouble you, the man don't see you. And you would not leave the man alone. So Andrea go and get the right time now. See it and get it because it's a triple X. How will make you go in a boxing ring with woman? How weak man fight woman? You're lucky. So the woman and him family they never. You should have lied down and then clap you up because Andrea is not a man of violence. So if Andrea did here, so they knock you out. He would have come out. You should have lied dog. You should have fight back. Because if Andrea did here say they knock you out, he would have come out and say, but too bad they don't. Who not get too much trouble? Where you did that text it for Andrea for? Where you did that text it for Andrea for? Andrea now fight with woman. Andrea now fight for woman. Andrea will be our next Nelson Mandela. We fight for equal rights and justice. For poor people. Expose the corruption we are going into Jamaica. Good morning, Jen. The expose the corruption we are going in Jamaica and enlighten way because I say a lot of things is an Andrea platform. Make justice if Andrea mouth Noel Maitland could not be in jail. Andrea make we know a lot of things and enlighten us to a lot of things that is going on in Jamaica. Help a lot of poor people. Because some of there we don't know where you're going over for Andrea when we're and you're triple X. You're triple rank. Never tap on top till you're going to make Andrea. Me say Andrea going I don't know how you're Andrea tonight. Me say Andrea going take the turban and beat you with the turban because they say you would never leave the man in peace. I look what happened to you today. You would never leave the man like a double whopper. Sophie, now a triple X. When you know out here they mess with people, be very careful because they're going to catch you and then going to clap you back. The head them are going to clap you because they say, don't be surprised if Andrea come back. People may be telling us something, you know, I tell you, Andrea, we don't put in name in the caption tonight, you know. But when he reach halfway, that's the life. Hey. Andrea the best, you know. When you feel like say Andrea reach halfway that the life, like when Andrea did do such man. Hey, such man did that text it for Andrea, you know. Andrea do the live then time with Donna, you know. Andrea still dog, you know. Andrea still, you know. I'm say we only hear when Andrea said, I come to address such and such in the conference. I say when Andrea done with such man, you know, may I tell you, hey, Andrea, what me say for the triplets, and I'm going to come back and the catch up. I don't think Andrea done with you. Me think tonight again, him I go come with him, I go come back and go clap you. I can't say nothing because it's your fault. It is your fault. You should have leave the man alone. The man not trouble you. The man not trouble you. Anyway, let's for that now, people. Me say, Tina, come here. People, you see, over the bar, over St. Kitts, there was Sunshine Bar. You know, say Sunshine Bar, I want everywhere. Tina, I hope you use protection because I say, at your age now, me say, people, I get a call. I get a call. And when I get a call, somebody tell me, say, my mama no live over the Navis, you know. They say Sunshine Bar over the Navis. Tina, what make you all the finance spot there? You plan to go into the prostitution business officially. They say a Catchman place. And Tina, they put up one picture with one dread. Me say me no things of the picture go stay when me go back like Tina. Remember say Kingston 13, they got sent for the picture. Tina take off the picture. But Tina, me did see the dread. Tina, what make everywhere you go you have to rent a dread? Tina, why everywhere you go as a big woman you got to rent a dread? Tina, you be careful, you know. Me say Tina, it no really look good. You gone down a Montgomery Plaza. You go to Jamaica, you rent dread. You go over the Navis, you go and rent dread. Sunshine Bar is a little whorehouse to Tina. Then Tina want make it so you is an international prostitute. Tina, come here, man. That's not right. That's not okay. I hope you're using condoms. So, you're a prostitute, man. You leave your country from down a Montgomery Plaza and you gone over the Navis, gone a Sunshine Bar, gone catch man. How you love catch man so much? You're a man catcher. It no look good, you know, man. Because me frightened when and tell me say over Sunshine Bar is a little catch man place and never no good place you go. Where you gone over the Navis gone catch man for? No tourist then catch man in a Tina's passport. No, man, you're not to do those things, you know. You're a big woman, man. You're a big lady like you. You cannot walk under them, so you take plane go for catch, man. Then with a dread, I want make you like the dread. Dread, I wish you didn't sing about when they say dread, I wish you love. Because you say every time you go somewhere you like dread. Why you like dread so? How why not dread? You want to eat up the whole heap of salt? Because where you gone over there, where you gone a Sunshine Bar gone do? Where you know the dread man from? No, where the got to ask Tina, you cannot tell me what to ask, my friend. But this is nasty, man. Tina rent you ready, she gone on a Montgomery Plaza, but you want to be escort. No, me saying gone over Sunshine Bar at the Navy. Then says a worst spot. Then Tina, how you find the worst spot them so? I find you to find them or them a draw you in. It no look good at all. I said, I Tina, you know I don't like these things, you know, because you're my friend, you know, man. Me tell you, say the way you do with dread man over there. I wonder, what Tina? Where you gonna set the Navis gone to prostitution? Why is prostitution illegal over there? This is not okay with me, you know. I don't like these things as my friend, man. Where you take up yourself, gone over Sunshine Bar, gone turn it in a moonlight for where you going with Rasta, man. You never know me see the picture, you beat you, I see the picture, you know. And by the time I send for the picture, like your members, somebody got taking the guy for the. Where you gone? Where you do a war house at the Navis? Half a year go down a Montgomery Plaza, they go catch man. You're not catching enough man down a Montgomery Plaza. Where you gone extend it over the Navis for? You want the people them to know what's it. I mean, like them the same thing that you know, man. I look at them, turn on your backside yard, man. Turn on your yard. You left gun at the Navis can catch, man. Suppose the Rasta man they use a straw in here and tie it on your throat and choke you. The way how you careless your dad supposed to do with Rastaman, you know, keep far from Rastaman because I say you don't have no behavior next to then go take the locks and tie around your head and choke you. Me no want them choke you, you know. Leave the dread them alone, man. Everywhere you go, you catch it, you rent a dread. Why you like Rastaman so? Every place we are going over the navies where you going to catch man boat. I'm going to catch Rastaman. Next thing Rastaman go tie Rasta around your neck. I mean, no want nothing to do you know I don't want anything to do you. No man, me can't take this. Me no want nothing to do my friend man. Next year gone and the name is Rastaman. And then the people the thing then Rastaman go come choke you. When you do, listen to me. Tan ayaya tap rent dread. Next thing no man go tie locks around your neck and go fling you in a sea. That's not good, man. You cannot go around and everything. You're gone to the navy. Me think you say you're going to show off. You're going to rent dread. In a whorehouse. How you find whorehouse so much? How you find the whorehouse? What you do? Ask somebody where's the next whorehouse around here? I wonder if you find the sniff base too. Try go back into the adult housing. Try your very, 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 very best. Go back out into the adult housing. People before me run. Let me say this clear. For all who know me prime here, if me have anything to say, I will say it. I don't need no hungry belly scavenger content worse when time on a mouth. You no have herpes in it. You no keep on the mouth like them all redundant pit latry. Now, I think this is 2 or 3 weeks ago. As I don't know if you know, say, and every time we can take my phone, I see a number call me like 2 times and I'll ring back the number. I think I was on a call, but anyway. A lady came to me and told me that the lady told me that she called another blogger and she called Lorraine about a lady by the name of Angela Russell that she was looking a house just for a change. And she said she called Lorraine and Lorraine called the lady. And if I can help her to put it out about the lady. I think one time I passed over Lorraine and here Lorraine was talking, but Lorraine wasn't giving concrete. I think Lorraine had the lady on her live. I think Lorraine had the lady, if I'm not mistaken. Lorraine may not tell no lie upon you first. I think Lorraine, if it's not on her live, Lorraine, make sure it's not false teeth you have in your mouth, because if your false teeth drop out and broke, me not give me 10 money to fix it, because I say me want for me 10 for live under. Me cannot give me 10 and me can't give me dressing money to fix it. So make sure it's not false teeth you have. If a false teeth you have in your mouth, turn off the life. I am not responsible, because if your false teeth drop out and broke, me can help you to fix it. And me are the only recipient for my platform, and I can't nobody come over here come beg because me hungry. And me can't make your name before me. So make sure so you turn off your life and protect your false teeth. So anyway, people, I think when I pass over Lorraine, either Lorraine, if it's not on the live, Lorraine have the lady, Lorraine, because when you go in on a live, you know, people, this is the thing what we do. You have to, if it's not on the live, Lorraine have the lady, Lorraine record the lady. I'm not sure, remember, but I know Lorraine had, but Lorraine, and I say, alright, so, one day I call the lady, and when I call the lady, and which the story would sound is true, because that lady, what I get to understand, is a serial scammer. And when she called me, she told me that she have problem, and I can tell her, say, yes, me know about Zelle and Cash App. When people report it, them I go hold on pan it. And the lady told me, but when I find out, when the lady, she said, like the lady will say, fight, like yesterday, the last thing, they go down to it. The lady take the lady money. Remember, people have to work hard for their money and other people money. So when the lady told me Saturday morning the lady will get her money, $2,300. The lady Sunday morning, I calling the lady, and the lady, you know, like when you get up on the call, you decline the call, and she send me a SMS, me have it right on my phone, say she will give the lady the money at 5 o'clock. Remember that me they all the way at Carousel, the lady forget her money. When the lady call her, she tell the lady, say, our sister, if there's a sister or a daughter, tell Angela Russell to give the lady her money. Her money. Now, Angela Russell, and I'm so glad the woman picture is out, have nothing to do with Shernet Campbell or Vernon Campbell or Vernell, whatsoever his festive name. Vernet Chambers have nothing to do with Miss Chambers, the imitation social worker. We come from mad everybody on the internet, the social worker, Miss Chambers.